What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at this 2016 Black Forest Pearl Honda Pilot. The reason it's called the Black Forest Pearl is, as you can see in certain angles, it looks almost black. Hopefully the camera picks that up, and then obviously when you get that light on it, you can see that green color there with a lot of heavy metallic. Yeah, we're just gonna walk around this car today, talk to you about what we did this week. We spent 4 days in total. A lot of work on this car. It came in really bad condition. Presumably a lot of automatic car washes and just improper washing, with sponges and stuff. So we're gonna take a look at all that and walk around a little bit. So we'll put in some picture-in-picture just to show you what it looked like beforehand, as well as after this. We're gonna have a lot of picture and video of all the process that we did, so you can see some before and after stuff. But yeah, so since it was so bad condition, we actually had to run a wet sand on this whole vehicle. So we wet sanded this entire vehicle with a couple different grits, and then went back and polished it out. And as you can see with the wet sanding, we got this mirror-like finish. Took a little bit of orange peel out as well. So that's a plus side of the wet sanding. Have to be really careful with that though. Don't want to take down too much clear coat. But since it was in such bad condition, it was a good call to do it on this one. So yeah, after the wet sanding and polishing, we went ahead and solvent wiped this car down. We use a solvent wipe. It's really important to use a solvent wipe to make sure that the surface is perfectly clean for our ceramic to be put on top. Otherwise, if you don't get all the oils off from the polishing, the ceramic's not going to stick well. It's not going to do its job. So yeah, we'll walk around the back here a little bit, and Frank will show you there how awesome that color looks. So yeah, after we solvent wiped this vehicle, we ended up putting our Aegis Armor's 5-year coating on it. And this 5-year coating, as you can see, obviously brings out this color super well. Brings out that metallic flake a lot more than what it looked like before. So this car is going to look super good for a long time if the customer, just keeps the maintenance up on it. All we ask for maintenance wise is, basic spray it down with foam, rinse it off every 2 weeks or so. And then also with this, we provide a bottle of Renew. All you got to do is just hand wash the car using a 2-bucket method, and then applying that Renew and just wiping it on. And that boosts the ceramic and keeps it going for the 5 years and longer if you keep it up. So yeah, with that 5-year ceramic coating on the paint, we also did our Aegis Armor's glass coating on all the glass, including the sunroof on top and the headlights and taillights. So that'll give that an extra gloss there, and it'll help the rain falling off on it. So it's almost like, if you've heard of Rain-X, it's like that times 10. We'll put a video actually up here. You can see how that works. Super easy to see during the rain. And then finally, we ended it with Cerakote on all the plastics. And that Cerakote just brings out that dark, rich color of the plastics, unlike what it was before. And as well as that's gonna provide hydrophobic qualities to make it a lot easier to wash. Yeah, that's about it. Hopefully we'll have some good pictures of it in the sun out here, because the sun really is going to show this color off the best. These lights aren't going to do it justice. But yeah, the only last bit of information I'll leave you with is we finished this off with our Aegis Armor's Black Widow tire gel, and that can be applied in a satin or a gloss finish. We'll put a picture-in-picture as well. You can see that. We chose a satin finish here. For the satin finish, you just put the tire shine on, wipe it off with a rag, and then for that glossy, you just wipe it on and leave it on. So yeah, that's about it for this Honda Pilot. Stay tuned for more, stuff coming up, and thanks, guys.
coat. This doesn't really just apply to our ceramic coat. Our products work on any car that's got a ceramic coating on it. Once a car has ceramic coating, you'll basically rinse the car every couple weeks. Then you'll take a foam can, apply our Foam Fury or our Spectrum, which is a ceramic-based soap, adds a little more gloss. Basically let it sit on the car for about a minute, rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a 2-bucket wash using grip guards, of course. After you get done with that, you'll take our Aegis Armor Renew, which is our maintenance coating for the ceramic. You'll take 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out, spray the Renew right onto the first microfiber, the wet one, wipe it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 15 seconds, wipe it off with a dry microfiber, buff it with a third dry microfiber. That's all the maintenance that has to be done on the vehicle. This product can be used on glass, wheels, paint, plastics. It's kind of a one-stop shop. On the vehicle that we just did in this video, we also used our Black Widow non-sling tire gel. This can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. For the do-it-yourself crowd, we've also got a couple products over here. We have Shield, which is a 6-month coating, and Shield Elite, which is a 1-year coating. This one is applied actually like you would apply a real ceramic, doing a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it right off, last up to a year. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, even if you're not in our area, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you have. Thanks, have a great day.
Thank you.